soft and chewy Snickerdoodle cookies. Coming up. In a mixing bowl, combine 2½ cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of cream of tartar, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, ½ a teaspoon of salt. Give it a whisk and combine all the ingredients together. After the ingredients have been thoroughly combined, set it aside. Now, in a stand mixer, add in 1½ cups of sugar, 1 cup of unsalted butter, preferably softened. Cream the sugar and the butter at medium speed until light and fluffy, about 3 minutes. Then add in 2 eggs and combine at a low speed setting. After about a minute or so, scrape the bottom of the bowl to make sure you don't have any lumps. Then turn the mixer on low and slowly add the flour mixture until well combined. Once the ingredients have been evenly incorporated, scrape the bottom of the bowl again. Now, keep in the fridge for 1 hour before baking. And while we wait, in a small mixing bowl, add in 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon. Give that a whisk. After evenly combined, set it aside. 1 hour later, preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Then, line a large baking tray with parchment paper. Use 1 teaspoon to measure out the cookie dough. Roll each ball in your hands to even them out. Then roll in cinnamon sugar to thoroughly coat each one of them. Place the balls on the prepared baking sheet about 2½ inches apart. Bake at 400 degrees for about 7 to 8 minutes and do this in batches as to not overcrowd the tray. 8 minutes later and you are almost ready to eat. Set the cookies onto a cooling rack for a few minutes before eating. And after the cookies have cooled off, you are ready to eat. And there you guys have it, Snickerdoodle cookies. Enjoy! Buen Provecho!